Welcome back, guys. We've got a beautiful Salad Shirazi recipe today, or Persian cucumber tomato salad. The salad's really refreshing: lime, mint, tomato, cucumber, and a little bit of onion. First, we're going to start off with getting your cucumbers. I like to use a Persian cucumber. You can use an English, but a Persian cucumber is definitely desired in this dish. Start off with cutting it down. We're going to cut the tips off first. Now, I keep the skin on. Some people don't. I believe a Persian cucumber has a lot of flavor in that skin, so why would you? First, start off cutting them in fours and then slicing them into a 1/4 of an inch. Some people really go small with the salad. I like it a little bit thicker, kind of like that, just in kind of 1/4 pieces. And today we're using tomatoes that are cherry variety. Traditionally, you just use a large tomato and you dice it up, but I feel it's better in the way I'm making it. It's a little bit more flavorful with these cherry tomatoes. Onion, I like to go really fine. I just want a backdrop flavor of onion. Some people get really crazy with the onion and keep it thick and chunky. Not me. I just want to barely notice it's there. Cut that lime in half. And there you go. We're already almost there to completing our salad. Super simple, right, guys? Why wouldn't you make this salad? I like to keep it as a 2 parts cucumber, 1 part tomato, and a dash of onions, as you see here in the recipes down below. So let's put everything in a bowl, put all our vegetables in a mixing bowl. After we're done doing that, we're going to top it off with some olive oil and lime juice. And guys, just remember, this salad is best fresh. Make it I like to make it with no more than an hour in advance of eating it. When it sits around, it tends to wilt and get the water kind of just away from the tomatoes and the cucumbers. There I just added some great olive oil. It's always get some good quality olive oil. Throw your mint down, throw your salt to taste. I like to go a little bit heavier on the mint flavor. Some people go a little lighter. It's really up to you. You can start a little bit less on the recipe and see how it works out. And there we got everything in the bowl. We're going to start combining it all together. Look at that. It's already looking beautiful in itself. Toss it around. Get everything incorporated. You can taste for salt at this moment. Some people put black cracked pepper. I don't think it's necessary. I like it the way it is. Throw it in a serving bowl. And look at that. Ready to go. You can eat it all by itself. Just a beautiful dish. Or you can have it with some kebabs on the side. Here. Don't forget, click and subscribe, guys. Take care.